Ever wondered if a hydrogen vehicle sweats when it sees water? Let's embark on a whimsical journey where we'll compare two titans of the transportation world. Picture this, hydrogen and fuel vehicles, two gladiators in the automotive arena, each boasting their unique strengths. Can you imagine a world where cars are quaking in their chassis at the sight of a water puddle? Oh, the drama! Today we're diving into the world of hydrogen and fuel vehicles, and it's about to get gassy. Remember the new kid in school who was all shiny and promising, but you weren't sure if they were cool or just full of hot air? That's hydrogen vehicles for you. These are the latest entrants in the automotive world, and they're making quite the splash. They're like that new kid who's got the coolest gadgets and the trendiest clothes, but no one's quite sure what to make of them yet. Hydrogen vehicles are powered by hydrogen fuel cells, which is like saying they're fueled by science fiction. They emit nothing but water vapor, making them the eco-friendly jocks of the car world. But just like the new kid, they've got their quirks. They're a bit pricier than your average gas guzzler, and finding a hydrogen fuel station is like trying to find a needle in a haystack. So, are hydrogen vehicles just shiny new toys, or are they the future of transportation? Buckle up, we're about to find out. On the other hand, we have fuel vehicles, the schoolyard bully who's been around forever and isn't going anywhere. You know, the one who's always there when you turn the corner, flexing its horsepower and revving its engine. That's right, I'm talking about the fuel vehicles, the old guard of the automobile world. Like the schoolyard bully, fuel vehicles have a few tricks up their sleeves that keep them at the top of the food chain. One, they're everywhere. I mean literally everywhere. You can't swing a cat without hitting a gas station. Two, they're reliable. They've been around for over a century and they've got their act together. You know what you're getting with a fuel vehicle. No surprises there. And three, they're the default. The status quo, the baseline, whatever you want to call it, they're the standard against which everything else is compared. It's like being the big kid at school. Everyone else is just trying to catch up. But like any good schoolyard bully, fuel vehicles have their weaknesses. They're not exactly eco-friendly and their fuel efficiency isn't always the best. Plus, they're so ordinary. And who wants to be ordinary? Fuel vehicles might be the bully now, but will they always rule the roost? Only time will tell. It's showdown time. Hydrogen versus fuel, who will take the crown? Picture this, hydrogen and fuel are two marathon runners. Hydrogen, the new kid on the block, is all about endurance. Fuel, on the other hand, is the seasoned veteran. It's been around the block a few times and knows all the shortcuts, but let's talk emissions. If hydrogen were a dog, it'd be the one that, well, doesn't stink up the place. Fuel, we love you, but you could use a breath mint or two, and when it comes to efficiency, hydrogen is like that overachieving cousin we all have, always outdoing everyone else. Fuel, you're more like the rest of us, just trying to get by. In the end, the choice between hydrogen and fuel vehicles is like deciding between pizza and tacos. Both have their merits, but it's all about what suits your taste. So what's the deal? Are we going to see hydrogen vehicles running away from water hoses anytime soon? Imagine that. A whole new wave of car fears. Forget about scratches and dents, now we've got to worry about hydration. And what about the fuel cars? Are they going to start demanding gourmet gas? Excuse me, I only take the finest premium unleaded, thank you very much. It's like the cars are becoming high-maintenance celebrities overnight. But let's not forget the advantages. Hydrogen cars, they're like the superheroes of the car world. Silent, clean, efficient. They could be the Clark Kents of the highway. And fuel cars? They're the classic rock stars with their recognizable engine roars and their undeniable charm. So, what's the future of our roads going to look like? A comic book or a rock concert? Either way, it's going to be entertaining. Whether you're Team Hydrogen or Team Fuel, one thing's for sure, the future of cars is going to be one heck of a ride. Subscribe to our channel and see you soon with our next video.